all of you write down the new topic. Lesson number 17, area. Right, lesson number 17, area. Right, that's a new lesson, no? Area. Okay, first I'm going to discuss about what are the units of area. You write down the subtopic of your book. You write down the subtopic of your book. Units of area. Units of area. Units of area. Right, units of area. එහෙනම් අපි බලමු area එක units මොනවද කියලා, right? ඊට පස්සේ බලමු area එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා. First you have to identify what are the units of area. Okay, you write down the units. That's the units. Okay, if the length given in centimeters, the area unit is square centimeters. Okay, how we write this square centimeters? Like this. හරි, අර දීපු ෆිගර් එකේ අපි තුමු මේ වගේ මොකක් හරි ෆිගර් එකක් දීලා තියෙනවා කියලා. මේකේ length දීලා තියෙන්නේ centimeters වලින් නම් අන්න area එක එන්නේ මොනවද? square centimeters, right? If the lengths are given in meters, the unit should be square meters. Right, how we read this one? Square. Right, square centimeters, square meters. If the figure length given in kilometers, area length is square kilometers. Right, this one important one. After you find the area, you have to write the unit. Right, okay, now you write down of your book. First you write down the symbol. Okay, first one, square centimeters. Then in front of you can write down in word form how we can read square centimeters. Okay, square centimeters. Next one we can read square meters. Next one we can read square kilometers. Right, that's the measuring units of area. So you quickly write down the units. That's the measuring units of area. right? That's the units of area. Then look at how we find the area of square and rectangles, right? Then you write down the next subtopic. Next subtopic, write down finding the areas, finding the areas of a square and a rectangle. Right, that's finding method. Okay, quickly write down. First, I'm going to draw the figure of a square. Then I'm going to draw the figure of rectangle. Okay, you look at how we find the area. There's a formula, area equal, right? Area equal length multiply breadth, right? Using this formula, by substituting length and breadth, you can find the area of the given square or rectangle, right? Length multiply breadth. That's the formula for the area. Okay, quickly write down the formula. Right, if you want to find the area of a square or area of a rectangle, you can use this formula, area equal length multiply breadth. Right, then I am going to do some questions. You write down as a question, find the areas of following figures. Find the areas find the areas of following figures. Right, the first figure you draw like this. You think the length is 9 centimeters, breadth is 4 centimeters. Okay, then we have to find the area of this plane figure. Right, carefully look at how we find. First, you have to write the formula. Right, if you want to find the area of the plane figure, first you have to write the formula. What's the formula? Area equal length multiply breadth. Right, area equal length multiply breadth. Then you have to substitute the values. Look at what is the length, 9 centimeters. Length is 9 centimeters, breadth is 4 centimeters, right? Then you look at 9 multiply 4. 9 times 4, what is the answer? 36. Centimeter multiply centimeter, square centimeters. Okay, that's the first example answer. Second figure you draw. Second question. Right, that's another question. I think you can see this figure is a square. Side length given 7 centimeters. Okay, we have to find the area. When you find the area, first you have to write the formula. Area equal length multiply breadth. Right, area equal length multiply breadth. Then you have to substitute the values. The square length and breadth are equal, no? 7 and 7. So what you have to do? You have to substitute the values. Length 7 centimeters, breadth 7 centimeters. 7 multiply 7, 49. Also, you have to write the unit. This one we have to find the area, centimeters given. So, square centimeters. Right, that's the second example. Then I am going to third one. Right, first to draw the figure. After that, write the question like this. If the area of the figure is 72 square centimeters, 72 square centimeters, comma, find the breadth of the rectangle. Find the breadth of the rectangle. Right, in this question, area given. Area is 72 square centimeters. Length is 9 centimeters. Breadth we don't know, it's given as simple legs, right? In this question say you have to find the area. Okay, first you have to write the formula. Area equal length into breadth, length multiply breadth. Then area given 72, no? 72 square centimeters. Length given 9 centimeters. Breadth we don't know, we have to find it. Okay, this one as a equation, no, we can write 72 equal 9 multiply x, right? How we can find the x? You have to divide both sides by 9. Then what is the answer? X equal, what is the value? 72 divide 9. Answer is 8 centimeters, right? X is the length. When you write the length value, you have to write the unit centimeters. Why this question given the area is square centimeters? Right. I think you wrote the examples of your book. Then look at we have to study how we find the uh, area of composite figures. Before do that one, another example I will do. Another one you write down as the fourth example. The length given 12.4 meters, breadth given 8 meters. Okay, we have to find the area. We can write the formula area equal length multiply breadth. Then you can substitute the values. Length is 12.4 meters multiply breadth is 8 meters. Then 12.4 multiply 8, right? Decimal lesson you studied previously. 8 times 4 32, remaining 3. 8 times 2 16 plus 3 19, remaining 1. 8 plus 1 8. 8 plus 8 plus 1 8. Sorry, 8 times 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. So what is the answer? One decimal place you have to keep. So what is the answer? 99.2 square meters. Okay, the length given in meters, so you have to write in square meters. Okay, that's the fourth example. Right, then you mark the homework, another one, 17.2 exercise. You have to do as homework. You have to find the area of this plane figures. Okay, all questions you have to do of 17.2. Right, then you write down the next subtopic, areas of composite plane figures. Areas of composite plane figures. Areas of composite plane figures. Right, then look at what are the questions, how we can do like these questions. Composite plane figures. Composite mean what? The two plane figures are joined. Right, you think like this plane figure given. Like this plane figure given. Okay, you think the some lengths are given like this. 12 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Okay, this one not 4, we can write as the 8 centimeters. Right, now look at, is this figure is a square or not? It is not the square. Is this figure is a rectangle? It is not the rectangle. Right, මේක square එකකුත් නෙවෙයි rectangle එකකුත් නෙවෙයි නේද? එහෙනම් අපි කොහොමද කරන්නේ? You can separate this whole figure into squares or rectangles. Right, අපි මේක squares වලට හරි rectangles වලට හරි separate කරගන්න ඕන. එතකොට separate කරගන්නකොට ඕන කැමති විදියක් use කරත හැකි. I will separate with different color using. If you want, I can separate like this. Right, මම මෙහෙම straight line එකක් ඇන්දොත් මට මේක කොටස් දෙකකට මේ වගේ divide කරගන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් පුළුවන් අපිට මේ පැත්තට මෙහෙම කොටස් දෙකකට divide කරගන්න. Right, කැමති විදිහකට ඔයගොල්ලෝ පුළුවන්. එතකොට මේතනදී ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේනවා ඇති squares rectangles වලට අපිට මේක separate කරගන්න පුළුවන්කම ලැබෙනවා. Right, මම මේ විදිහට separate කරගන්නවා. I will write the figures as this one A, this one B. Right, first I will find the area of A. Area of capital A. Right, how we find the area of capital A? Length into breadth. Look at length and breadth. 8, 7. So what you have to do, 8 centimeters multiply 7 centimeters. Right, by multiplying these two, you can find the value. What is the answer? 8 times 7, 56. Then also I have to find the figure B area. So I can write area of B. how we can find length into breadth? Length is 12 centimeters. Breadth is 5 centimeters. So the value we can get 12 times 5, 60 square centimeters. Right now, I separately find the answers of area of A and area of B. That's the compound figure, no? So I can write the answer. Area of composite figure. Right? What's the meaning of composite figure? This whole figure. Right? It can make by adding these two parts. Then what are the values? Figure A, 56 square centimeters. Figure B, 60 square centimeters. So what is the answer? 56 plus 60, 116. Also, you have write the unit, square centimeters. Right, that's the area finding method of composite plane figures. Okay, quickly note down. Right, then I will give the question for you. You have to find it. Right, you write this question. Right, මේක ඔයගොල්ලෝ තනියම හදන්න ඕන. Right, quickly you draw this figure. Then the measurements, right? This one is 12 centimeters. This length is 8 centimeters. This one is 15 centimeters. And this one is 3 centimeters. Right. Now you find the area of this composite plane figure. You can separate any method, okay? අවශ්‍ය නම් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ පැත්තට මෙහෙම divide කරගන්නත් පුළුවන් අවශ්‍ය නම් මේ පැත්තට divide කරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. හරි? Tamanට කැමති විදිහට. හැබැයි කොහොම divide කරත් A හැදෙන squares හරි rectangles හරි හැදෙනවා. ඒ වගේ හරියට length breadth දෙක ඔයගොල්ලෝ decide කරගන්න ඕන. හරි? ඊට පස්සේ මේ දෙකේ වෙන වෙනම areas හොයලා ඊළඟට මොකද කරන්න තියෙන්නේ? Composite area. Right, area of the composite plane figure. Right. Quickly you do. Right.
100 by square centimeter.
Okay, now we can check the answer. You can separate like this method, or you can draw the line this method. Okay, any method you can use, no problem. But correctly, you have to find the length and breadth of the squares and rectangles. I will separate like this, right? Now I separated like this into two parts, right? Can you tell me what are the lengths and breadth? Also, I can name the letters A and B. Can you tell me what are the length and breadth of A? Length and breadth of A.
8 centimeter, 12.
8 and 12, no? So you can find the area. Area of capital A equal 12 centimeters multiply 8 centimeters. Right, 12 multiply 8, 96 square centimeters. Also, we have to find area of B. Right, can you tell me what are the length and breadth values of B? What is the length? What is the breadth?
3 and 3.
3 and 3. Right. දැන් මේකේ තියෙන සිමෙට්‍රි එක අනුව ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒක හරියට තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ නේද? දැන් මේ ටික 12 නම් මේ සම්පූර්ණ length එක 15 නේ. එහෙනම් මේ ටික කීයද වෙන්න ඕන? 3. Right? So this one is 3. 3 multiply 3, no? Length and breadth 3 and 3. So you can write 3 centimeters multiply 3 centimeters. What is the answer? 9 square centimeters. Then you can find the answer of area of composite figure. You have read these two, no? 96 plus 9. The answer we can write as 105 square centimeters. Right, that's the finding method of area. Okay, can you understand about area?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right. Now you mark the homework of this lesson. (17.2) homework. Okay, 17.2 homework. And another one, (17.3). Next exercise 17.3. There are two exercises I gave for this lesson. Right, ඒකෙත් questions පහක් තියෙනවා. ඒ පහ ඔයගොල්ලෝ complete කරන්න ඕන. Right? එහෙනම් මම අද lessons දෙකක homework දීලා ඇති. Right? ඒ ටික ඔක්කොම complete කරන්න ඕන.